Weather is changing. Weather has actually changed. Even the pollution level is too high. People are suffering with so many problems like sneezing, like cold and cough, mucus coming out of your body, and your head is paining and you're feeling congestion. What if I tell you that there is a very simple recipe? All the ingredients are already there in your kitchen, and this magical drink can actually take away all your congestion, cold and cough, the mucus that is inside you, and just it can make you feel so light, so light-headed as well, and you can breathe more properly. Yes, it's not a magic, it's a very effective and one of the ancient recipes. How do we make that? Let's get started. Take a small piece of ginger, mash it, and put it in a cup of milk that you are boiling. Take a pinch of turmeric powder and put it in the milk. Take a pan, heat it, put a little bit of cow ghee in it. Once ghee is absolutely hot, put some ajwain seeds in it. Ajwain is celery. Put it in this ghee which is absolutely hot. Let it cook for some time. Let the color change into light brown, and then color of the celery will change to brown as shown in the video. In the meantime, your milk will be boiled, which has ginger and turmeric in it. Now pour this ghee and celery mixture in a cup, and then you pour this milk in the same cup. So this is absolutely hot boiled milk, and this is your drink, which is absolutely ready. Now you can do this little bit of exercise so that none of the ghee is wasted, and have this drink which will help you a lot in this problem. That's all for today. Do take this milk every night before going to bed for next 1 week, and you will see some amazing changes. If you have any other question, any other query related to your health, related to diet, related to yoga, and related to Indian culture, or just any other query, do not hesitate to send us your queries, and we will definitely try to come up with a separate episode. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om.